How many Teslas are cruising the streets? Ever been stuck in traffic and noticed a sleek, silver car effortlessly glide by in the carpool lane, driver seemingly absent? That, my friends, was most likely a Tesla. Tesla, the electric car company that went from a Silicon Valley dream to a dominant force in the auto industry, has revolutionized the way we think about transportation. But with all the buzz surrounding them, a crucial question pops up: just how many Teslas are actually out there? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Tesla sales, uncovering the numbers behind the hype and exploring what it means for the future of electric vehicles. Now, you might be thinking, sales figures? Sounds a bit dry, doesn't it? But trust me, this rabbit hole goes way deeper than just numbers on a spreadsheet. Tesla's sales trajectory is a fascinating story that reflects not just the company's journey, but also the evolving landscape of the entire car industry. So, buckle up and get ready for a ride filled with stats, surprising trends, and a glimpse into what the future holds for Tesla and electric vehicles in general. Breaking down the numbers, a Tesla tally. Alright, let's get down to business. To answer our burning question, we need to rely on reliable sources. Tesla itself regularly releases quarterly sales reports, and automotive industry analysts keep a close eye on these figures. As of June 2024, here's what we know. Tesla has delivered over 3.6 million vehicles globally since its inception in 2003. That's a massive number, especially considering the relatively short period compared to traditional car manufacturers with century-long histories. But to understand the true impact, we need to look at a more recent time frame. In 2023 alone, Tesla delivered over 1.3 million vehicles, a staggering increase from previous years. This exponential growth suggests that electric vehicles are gaining serious traction with consumers. Decoding the growth, why Teslas are taking over. There are several factors driving this surge in Tesla sales. First, there's the environmental consciousness movement. Consumers are increasingly aware of the impact of gasoline-powered cars on the environment, and Tesla's zero-emission vehicles offer an attractive alternative. Second, let's not forget the performance factor. Teslas are known for their lightning-fast acceleration and impressive handling. They're not just eco-friendly, they're downright fun to drive. Third, Tesla has made significant strides in innovation. Their autopilot driver assistance system, while still under development, continues to push the boundaries of autonomous driving technology. This futuristic appeal is a major draw for tech-savvy consumers. Finally, there's the cool factor. Tesla has cultivated a brand image of being sleek, sophisticated, and synonymous with forward-thinking technology. Let's face it, owning a Tesla says something about you. You're environmentally conscious, tech-savvy, and appreciate a touch of luxury. Looking ahead, the road for Tesla. So, what does this mean for the future? With sales figures skyrocketing, Tesla shows no signs of slowing down. They're continuously expanding their production capacity and introducing new models, like the highly anticipated Cybertruck. This growth isn't just good for Tesla, it's a positive sign for the entire electric vehicle industry. As Tesla paves the way, other car manufacturers are scrambling to keep up, leading to a wider variety of electric car options for consumers. However, there are still challenges to overcome. Range anxiety, the fear of running out of battery power before reaching a charging station, remains a concern for some potential buyers. Additionally, the upfront cost of Teslas can be a barrier for some. But as battery technology continues to improve and government incentives for electric vehicles become more widespread, these challenges are likely to diminish over time. The Tesla takeover, a sign of things to come? In conclusion, Tesla's skyrocketing sales figures are a testament to the growing popularity of electric vehicles. They represent a significant shift in consumer preferences and a turning point in the auto industry. While Tesla may be leading the charge, this is just the beginning. We can expect to see a surge in electric vehicle options from various manufacturers in the coming years. So, the next time you see a Tesla glide silently past you, remember, it's not just a car, it's a symbol of a transportation revolution in motion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.